Welcome to our next lesson, Uttama Purushaha, first person in Sanskrit. Before going to the lesson, let us practice the root in Uttama Purushaha. There are 4 columns given in this page. The first column is given with root words in Sanskrit, then Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam. You all know that Ekavachanam is singular, Dvivachanam is dual, Bahuvachanam is plural. Let us start understanding the root words in Uttama Purushaha. Pad dhatuhu, patami, patavaha, patamaha. Khad dhatuhu, khadami, khadavaha, khadamaha. Lik, likhami, likhavaha, likhamaha. Dhav, dhavami, dhavavaha, dhavamaha. Pat, patami, patavaha, patamaha. Nam, namami, namavaha, namamaha. Bhram, bhramami, bhramavaha, bhramamaha. Kship, kshipami, kshipavaha, kshipamaha. Khel, khelami, khelavaha, khelamaha. All the root words end like this in Uttama Purusha. You can decline any verb like this in present tense. Now we move on to the sentences. Aham Govindarajaha, Aham Shikshakaha, Aham Pathayami. Let us read the words first, then we will understand the meaning. Aham Vinodaha, Aham Chhatraha, Aham Likhami. Aham Rameshaha, Aham Balakaha, Aham Khelami. Aham Santoshaha, Aham Dhavakaha, Aham Dhavami. Let us understand the meaning. Aham Govindarajaha, I am Govindaraj. Aham Shikshakaha, I am a teacher. Aham Pathayami, I teach. Aham Vinodaha, I am Vinod. Aham Chhatraha, I am a student. Aham Likhami, I write. Aham Rameshaha, I am Ramesh. Aham Balakaha, I am a boy. Aham Khelami, I play. Aham Santoshaha, I am Santosh. Aham Dhavakaha, I am an athlete. Aham Dhavami, I run. So let us read one more time. Aham Govindarajaha, Aham Shikshakaha, Aham Pathayami. Aham Vinodaha, Aham Chhatraha, Aham Likhami. Aham Rameshaha, Aham Balakaha, Aham Khelami. Aham Santoshaha, Aham Dhavakaha, Aham Dhavami. Let's go to the next page. Now, Strilinga Vakya. Previously, all 4 sentences were in Pullinga Shabda. We have seen Pullinga words in the previous page. Now we are going to practice feminine words. Aham Radhika, Aham Shikshika, Aham Pathayami. Aham Kamala, Aham Chhatra, Aham Pashyami. Aham Leela, Aham Balika, Aham Kridami. Aham Usha, Aham Dhavika, Aham Dhavami. Aham Radhika, Aham Shikshika, Aham Pathayami. Aham Kamala, Aham Chhatra, Aham Pashyami. Aham Leela, Aham Balika, Aham Kridami. Aham Usha, Aham Dhavika, Aham Dhavami. Now let us see the meaning. Aham Radhika, I am Radhika. Aham Shikshika, I am a teacher. Aham Pathayami, I teach. Aham Kamala, I am Kamala. Aham Chhatra, I am a student. Aham Pashyami, I see. Aham Leela, I am Leela. Aham Balika, I am a girl. Aham Kridami, I play. Aham Usha, Aham Dhavika, Aham Dhavami. I am Usha, I am an athlete. Aham Dhavami, I run. Let us see these sentences once again. Note that here we have used strilinga, that is feminine gender. So aham is common for masculine gender, feminine gender, and also neuter gender. Now let me read the sentences once again. Aham Radhika, aham Shikshika, aham Pathayami, aham Kamala, aham Chhatra, aham Pashyami, aham Leela, aham Balika, aham Kridami, aham Usha, aham Dhavika, aham Dhavami. You are supposed to construct sentences like this. You should train yourself. Next, we move on to Napumsakalinga Vakyani. Neuter gender sentences. Aham Phalam, aham Kadali Phalam, aham Madhuram Asmi, aham Pushpam, aham Kamala Pushpam, aham Vikasami, aham Mukham, aham Netram, aham Sphurami, aham Udyanam, aham Patram, aham Patami. Let us see the meaning. Aham Phalam, I am a fruit. Aham Kadali Phalam, I am a banana. Aham Madhuram Asmi, I am sweet. Aham Pushpam, I am a flower. Aham Kamala Pushpam, I am lotus flower. Aham Vikasami, I bloom. Aham Mukham, I am face. Aham Netram, I am an eye. Aham Sphurami, I twitch. Aham Udyanam, I am garden. Aham Patram, I am a leaf. Aham Patami, I fall. Let us read the sentences once again. Hope you have understood the meaning. Stop the video and read again. Aham Phalam, aham Kadali Phalam, aham Madhuram Asmi, aham Pushpam, aham Kamala Pushpam, aham Vikasami, aham Mukham, aham Netram, aham Sphurami, aham Udyanam, aham Patram, aham Patami. Let us go to the next slide. Now, dual. Dual means two. Okay, Dvivachanam in Sanskritam. Avam, we both. First we see few masculine gender words. Avam Sahodarau, Avam Davavaha, Avam Chhatrau, Avam Patavaha, Avam Simhau, Avam Garjavaha. Let us see with the meaning. Avam Sahodarau, we both are brothers. Avam, we both, Sahodarau, brothers. Two brothers, okay? No three. It doesn't say that there are three brothers, only two brothers. Avam Dhavavaha, we both run. Avam Chhatrau, Avam, we both, Chhatrau, students. We both are students. Avam Patavaha, we both read. Avam Simhau, we both are lions. Avam Garjavaha, we both roar. Let us move on to the next. Now, sentences in feminine gender. Avam Lalane, Avam Gachavaha, Avam Male, Avam Prakashavaha, Avam Balike, Avam Chalavaha. Let us see the meaning. Avam Lalane, we both are women. Avam Gachavaha, we both go. Avam Male, we both are garlands. Avam Prakashavaha, we both shine. Avam Balike, we both are girls. Avam Chalavaha, we both move. Let me read the sentences once again. Avam Lalane, Avam Gachavaha, Avam Male, Avam Prakashavaha, Avam Balike, Avam Chalavaha. These are examples for Dvivachanam in feminine gender. Now, Napumsakalinga Shabda. Okay. Avam Mitre, Avam Vadavaha, Avam Ratne, Avam Rajavaha, Avam Phale, Avam Patavaha. Let us see with the meaning. Avam Mitre, we both are friends. Avam vadavaha. We both talk. Avam ratne. We both are gems. Avam rajavaha. We both shine. Avam phale. We both are fruits. Avam patavaha. We both fall. Read carefully. Let me read the Sanskrit sentences once again. You all will practice the words. Avam mitre. We both are friends. Avam vadavaha. Avam ratne. Avam rajavaha. Avam phale. Avam patavaha. So far we have understood avam means we both, used in all three genders. Avaha is the ending of the verbs in first person dual, that is dvivachanam. Let's move to plural. Vayam, we all. Let us practice some sentences in masculine gender, that is pullinga. Vayam sainikaha smaha. Vayam rakshamaha. Vayam krishakaha smaha. Vayam krishamaha. Vayam shikshakaha smaha. Vayam pathayamaha. Let us understand the meaning of these sentences. Vayam sainikaha smaha. We all are soldiers. Vayam rakshamaha. We all protect. Vayam krishakaha smaha. We all are farmers. Vayam krishamaha. We all plow. Vayam shikshakaha smaha. We all are teachers. Vayam pathayamaha. We all teach. Let me read the Sanskrit sentences once again. Vayam sainikaha smaha. Vayam rakshamaha. Vayam krishakaha smaha. Vayam krishamaha. Vayam shikshakaha smaha. Vayam pathayamaha. If you want to read once again, kindly stop the video and read it again. Let's move on to the next page. Now, plural in feminine gender. Vayam kanyaha smaha. Vayam khelamaha. Vayam prajaha smaha. Vayam jivamaha. Vayam tulaha smaha. Vayam tolayamaha. Again with the meaning. Vayam kanyaha smaha. We all are girls. Vayam khelamaha. We all play. Vayam prajaha smaha. We all are citizens. Vayam jivamaha. We all live. Vayam tulaha smaha. We all are weighing machines. Vayam tolayamaha. We all weigh. Let me read the Sanskrit sentences once again. Vayam kanyaha smaha. Vayam khelamaha. Vayam prajaha smaha. Vayam jivamaha. Vayam tulaha smaha. Vayam tolayamaha. These are examples in feminine gender. Now we move on to neuter gender. Let us see some sentences in neuter gender. Vayam netrani smaha. Vayam pashyamaha. Vayam mitrani smaha. Vayam kridamaha. Vayam ratnani smaha. Vayam jvalamaha. Let us see with the meaning. Vayam netrani smaha. We all are eyes. Vayam pashyamaha. We all see. Vayam mitrani smaha. We all are friends. Mitrani, friends. Vayam kridamaha. We all play. Vayam ratnani smaha. We all are gems. Vayam jvalamaha. We all shine. Let me read the Sanskrit sentences once again. Vayam netrani smaha. Vayam pashyamaha. Vayam mitrani smaha. Vayam kridamaha. Vayam ratnani smaha. Vayam jvalamaha. So far we have understood Vayam means we all in all three genders. Masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Amaha is the ending of verbs in first person plural. If the noun is aham, the verb ends with ami. If the noun is amam, the verb is ending with avaha. If the noun is vayam, then the verb ending with amaha. So it is common in all three genders. Dhanyavadaha. We'll meet in the next lesson. Kindly subscribe our channel, and you will get all the updates immediately. And also forward our videos to others. Dhanyavadaha.